SP 500, NASDAQ 100, Dow Jones 30. How Rjticharts sees it as of 3/31/2026. As of this message, the SP 500 is up 100 points, the NASDAQ 100 is up 415 points, and the Dow Jones 30 is up 568 points. This is how it works. We use a sequencing mode to identify any buy or sell signals for any equities, futures, forex, or crypto market. A methodology developed from the trading floors of the Chicago Board of Trade, Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in 1984. Just recently, it is the reason why our buy signals for crude oil on January the 23rd, 2026 at $58 per barrel was elected. We have been bullish energy since our methodology generated a buy signal on the Energy Index quarterly time frame chart, June 30th, 2021. The approach is why we were the first to forecast gold to trade toward $3,000 8 to 10 years, 2015 to 2017, before any major investment firm or guru, and then our target of 4,000 to 5,600 forecast in year 2020 to 2021. Our sell signals for the SP 500, DJ30, NASDAQ 100 on shorter time frames are still intact, which dates are SP 500, sell signal 1/16/26, DJ30, 2/13/26, and the NASDAQ 100, 12/12/2025. Go look at the chart levels if you want. So the decline isn't a surprise, but our expectations, as we've warned such was to come, which is validated through our email messaging, YouTube videos, and charts. What we are illustrating to you below is what has happened on the monthly charts below. Here's the sequence. The first three stair steps up or down to signal that a buy or sell 50% bias is developing, and the other three increases the probability that a signal is to come. Grandma crossing moves the status to 66.66%. Granddaddy crossing moves the status to 83.325%. Our Papa crossing moves the status to 100%, and we get a buy or a sell signal. In the chart displayed, you're witnessing that the monthly time frames have generated longer-term sell signal bias. First three cross down, last three cross up as our Papa crossed to confirm the sell signal. Note, if it was a buy signal, the first three would be up above the red line and the last three down below the red line. What we're telling you is that the SP 500 and the NASDAQ 100 had already crossed on the monthly time frame chart. And now the DJ30 has joined the party too. This strongly implies that you will need a ferocious rally of at least 4% to change the dynamics of these sell signals. Until you get a ferocious rally of this nature, the wait for further declines for all three will continue, and trade levels are to fall even lower. SP 500, another 400 to 600 points, lower factor. NASDAQ 100, another 1,000 to 1,200 points, lower factor. The DJ30, another 2,000 to 3,000 points, lower factor. Let's look at the chart here at S&P 500, Standard & Poor's 500. Again, the first three, white, green, and blue, cross down in a sequence. Aha, 50% chance that a signal is coming. Grandma crosses up. Aha. That increases the percentage that we're getting a signal. Granddaddy crosses up. Aha. That tells us that we're almost ready to get a cell signal. And as you can see, our Papa, being the last decider, crossed up. Cell, that's what our monthly signal has said. Then we'll go to the NASDAQ. White, green, blue, cross down, 50%. Grandma, crossed up. Granddaddy, crossed up. Aha. Our Papa, crossed up, cell signal. DJ30, white, green, blue, cross down. Grandma, crossed up. Granddaddy, crossed up. DJ30 just got in sync with the other two. As you can see in the eclipse, yellow just crossed above red this month, at the end of this month of March. It's easy to see the trees that make up the forest, and it is even easier to see the forest that's made up of trees, but it's not so easy to see behind the forest. Get your Ramo today. Rjticharts.com, driven by infinite wisdom and its proprietary trading systems.